The National Weather Service in Hayden has issued a tornado warning for Midfield County in north-central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Hayden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Hayden, Cashtown, Redfield, Green Lake. This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat at a truss ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.